Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get VEO 3, Nano Banana Pro, and Gemini Pro for free, step by step. Making videos like this takes a lot of time and hard work. So for my motivation, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's start step by step. First, you need to create a new Chrome profile. You don't need to sign in. As you can see, I also didn't sign in. Now open the Google document. I will give the link in the video description. Here you will see two links. The first link is for creating a business email, and the second link is for Gemini Business, from where you can get free access to VEO 3 and Nano Banana Pro. Now copy the first link. Open a new tab. Paste the link and press enter. It will take a few seconds. And a website will open. Now go back to the document and open the second link. Now you will see the Gemini Enterprise sign-in page, where you need to enter a business email. Go back to the first tab and click on Designate an email address. You can choose any email name. For example, I will write Game Dev Sammy. Now copy the email address and go back to the Gemini tab. Paste the email and click Continue with Email. After a few seconds, it will ask for a verification code. Go back to the Email tab, press the Close button, and click on the email you created. Then click Display Incoming Mail. You will receive a mail here. Open it and copy the code. Now go back to the Gemini tab, paste the code, and press Verify. Now it will ask for your name. You can write any name. Click Agree and get started. And that's it. You have successfully accessed Gemini Enterprise for free. Now from here you can generate images with Nano Banana Pro and videos with VEO 3. For example, I will generate an image using Nano Banana Pro. And here you can see, the image is ready, and it is in high resolution. Now I will generate a video using VEO 3. You can also give a reference image to generate videos. And here you go, the video is generated. If I used a more detailed prompt, the result would be even better. You can also open multiple tabs to use Gemini Enterprise. If you like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, because soon I will start giving Grok Pro accounts for free, and I will share the password in the next video. Thanks for watching.